Howdy folks, in today's video I'm going to show you one of the appliances that we love. We just recently bought it, Sodastream. I don't know, some of you, the older people, might remember Sodastream. I remember we had one when we were little. Tiny little kids. We always have those little skinny glass bottles, which was the Sodastream bottles, and we made cold drinks with it. Now, we bought ourselves one here because it's actually a great way to save money. Not that it's cheaper to make cold drink with the Sodastream than it is to buy cold drinks, but it's more of a hassle, so the kids drink less cold drink. Okay, cool. Let me show you how it works. So Sodastream is basically a system that makes cold drink for you, carbonated drinks. We got our Sodastream bottle, we filled it with water. I actually had it in the fridge a while so it cooled down. I'm just going to grab it, give it 5 squirts of CO2 because we like it to be very bubbly, and then we're going to mix in some cold drink. Now, there's a variety of flavors. We use Coke, root beer, and then what I've done is I've got, I'm going to show you now. So these bottles are about $6. The Sodastream is about $99, but the bottles of mix are about $6, and they make 9 liters of cola or 9 liters of cold drink, which, if you include the gas and everything else and you work it back, it costs the same as buying Coke. But at the end of the day, because it's a bit more trouble to make it, if we stick 24 cans of Coke in the fridge, the kids will literally, between the kids and myself, I guess, every time we walk past, we grab a can of Coke and we drink it. Now, you really do need to want cold drink because you need to go and find the bottle, clean it, put water in, do the squishy thing, and then mix it. So that is something that we do a lot less often. What I've done is they do have this, they've got these little water flavoring things here. 0 fat, 0 sugar, 0 everything, and you've got pineapple, orange, a bunch of all different flavors. And I oftentimes use that with the Sodastream as well. It just gives it something nice. When you just eating dinner, you want to drink something, it's cool to have a cold drink, something different than water. Not that I don't like water, I love water, but anyway. So Sodastream, folks, one of our best purchases yet.